transfer BTC or Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance on PC. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer BTC or Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now, after you make sure to log into your Bitget account, now head over to Icon Wallet, and after that, click on Asset Overview. So after that, from the sidebar, click on Spot. Now go and click on Withdrawal. Now after that, select the BTC here. Now after that, make sure you select on-chain and the network, select BTC. Now go back to get your wallets from your Binance. Make sure you log into your Binance account. Now click on deposit, and after that click on deposit crypto to get your wallet address. Now after that enter your BTC that you want to receive. Now the network, make sure you select the same as you set it here. As you can see, BTC. Now I will select BTC. Now here, as you can see, if you can now, you can now copy the address, and now go back to Bitget, and now you can paste it like here and click on next. Now after that, enter how much you want to transfer, like this amount. Now as you can see here, how much you will pay for fees and how much you will receive of Bitcoin on your Binance. So this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.